and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can delete the application from your Android phone. So there is two ways to do it. The first way is just hold the finger on any app that you want to remove and choose the remove or the trash icon. But there is a second way also. Go to the settings. Now tap on the apps and choose app management or app list. Now just look for the app that you want to delete, like this one, and just click on Uninstall. The third way is by the Play Store. Just look for the app again and choose Uninstall here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment. If you're looking for more videos for Android device, just visit our channel. Goodbye.